Let's say you found the perfect investment property and your seller asks you,
Can you give me a proof of funds?
that's super important, right? But there's a problem. You see, there are so many fake proof of funds letter out there that sellers and agents do not trust them anymore. And if your proof of funds cannot be verified, your deal is dead. Done.com. Let's dive in. What is a proof of funds letter? A proof of funds letter means that your deal has been reviewed and approved, and that confirms that you have the financial means to complete the purchase. In real estate transactions, usually this is the first document that a seller asks for. You see, a legitimate proof of funds letter confirms with everyone that your transaction is real, that you are for real. How does the process work? Well, first, you send us the regular information about both the property and you, meaning that, the purchase price, what is your rehab cost, if it's for fix and flip, as an example, what is the after rehab value, and what is your credit score, the regular stuff, guys. Second, based on that info, we give you either an offer or a decline, right? Now, if you get that offer, this is a pre-qualification letter, and it's pretty fast. Like, we can give you that in like 30 minutes, depending on our workload. Third, if you like your offer, now you're gonna ask for proof of funds for a final pre-qualification letter. So for us to do that, we do a soft credit pull. So it doesn't affect your credit at all. It is a soft credit pull that other lenders cannot even see. Only you can see that pull. Well, when we do that credit pull, it confirms that your credit information, as an example, is what you said it is. So with this, you get a final pre-qualification letter that serves as well as a proof of funds. You can see that, like, anytime someone has financing and go purchase a house, whatever, they come with a pre-qualification letter that confirms that, hey, their financing is in line to purchase that property. Now, very important, we stand by our proof of funds letter. You see, what happens is that we welcome verifications, meaning that the seller, agent, lawyer, whichever, they can call us to verify. We encourage it. Now is the difference, all right, with a fake proof of funds. Because when you get a fake proof of funds and then the people want to verify, suddenly you have to go, it cannot be verified. And that's when your deal dies. What happens if the numbers change? You see, a proof of funds letter is backed up by the math of your deal. It's backed up by the initial information that you gave us. However, if anything changes, let's say your comps or your appraisal changes, something, well, the proof of funds will be adjusted accordingly. Meaning that, as an example, if your appraisal comes lower, well, your proof of funds letter will also be adjusted accordingly. Or if it comes higher, well, you have a bigger proof of funds. Again, there's no guesswork here. It's really the math. If your numbers can hold, if anything in the process changes, anything, even if it's at the last minute, and that happened to me the other day for a client 2 days before closing. Anyways, the property was lowered in value and we have to change everything at the last minute. What happens in that? Real estate evolves, all right? Everything is based on the actual deal, no guesswork. The bottom line, a proof of fund letter is very important because that makes any seller trust you, and it must be able to be verified. Do not fall for those fake proof of funds because that will kill your deal. At Zoryn, we issue real proof of funds. And that's it. Listen, If you need fast funding for your real estate or for your business, or you need a fast personal loan, I put a link for you down below. That will only take you a few minutes and we'll get back to you with an offer or maybe a decline. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. And if you like that video, you will love that one.